In the endless grasslands of Wyoming, Arch Coal's Thunder Basin Coal Company has deployed a large fleet of cat haul trucks at the Black Thunder Mine, one of the world's largest coal mining complexes. The mine works around the clock, filling miles of rail cars every day, each holding more than 14,000 tons of coal. In fact, millions of tons of low-sulfur coal are shipped from Black Thunder to more than 100 U.S. power plants, fueling almost 5% of the electricity generated in the United States each year. For most of this coal, the journey begins in the bed of a cat mining truck, supported and maintained at Black Thunder by cat dealer Wyoming Machinery. To maintain this level of production, Arch Coal demands a high degree of mechanical availability for its truck fleet, and Wyoming Machinery is committed to providing it with on-site support and the guarantee that comes with a cat maintenance and repair contract.
Every second that our customer's machine sits down, that's every second they're not making money off of that machine. There's a lot of variables in our customers' operations. There's a lot of things that people have no control over. The MARC process gives you that control.
A MARC on a truck is a maintenance and repair contract, and we've been very successful lowering their cost per unit by taking over the responsibility for those trucks.
There's no surprises. There's a flat hourly rate that they're paying. So you know what that cost is and you can count on it, and there's availability guarantees in there that ensure that the machines are going to run the amount of time that you need them to run.
We have been successful at this site with the 795F haul trucks achieving an average of 7,800 hours, with 3 trucks exceeding 8,000 hours a year.
We've got 72 trucks under contract where we maintain those trucks for the customer bumper to bumper. We take care of all of the operating repairs, all of the rebuilds, and we work closely with the customer on keeping these trucks running at 90% availability or better. Most of the repairs here are diagnosed and troubleshot before the truck even arrives at the shop. We're able to get the parts out of the warehouse and have those parts sitting on a bench so that repair can start right away and we can have that truck back in production for the customer as soon as possible.
We are hooked up to MineStar for our data collection. It pulls data every 6 hours. If we have an exhaust temp split, for instance, we'll use MineStar to locate the piece of equipment. As soon as we possibly can, we get the truck shut down and we investigate the exhaust temp, and as soon as we get it repaired, we put it back to work.
Having people that have the knowledge and the skills to be able to tie the data to what's happening to that piece of equipment is invaluable.
One of the main successes of a MARC comes to being able to have a component immediately available when you have a component failure. The investment by the owner in contract components has substantially increased our mechanical availability by not having to wait for a component to be rebuilt.
We have the access to the parts, the tooling, to do the job correctly the first time.
We've got 4 branches across the state for the traditional equipment that we can utilize those inventories within a day of each other.
I think it comes down to the relationship we have with corporate CAT, that we can get parts, we can get support instantly. I've seen situations here at this contract where we needed a part to get a haul truck going. Caterpillar's actually stopped their assembly line and removed that part from a truck being built, and the part was shipped out here to Wyoming right away. The truck was up and running.
Getting the right parts to the right place at the right time is key. It's critical to their success and to our success in that partnership. It's Caterpillar, Wyoming Machinery, the customer. It's our machine together, and if doesn't run like we expect it to run, or the customer needs it to run, it's a black eye on all of us. And without having our employees that have that dedication, that drive, that integrity, all the core values that we have at Wyoming Machinery Company, we don't see the end result like we expect. And when we don't hit the results that we expect, we're disappointed, and we're going to figure out why, and we're going to do everything we need to get that result.
We partner with these customers to help provide solutions to lower their costs. And we want to do it better than anybody else. Our role is to represent Caterpillar with a product that can be fully utilized. So by making sure that systems match, by making sure we have good fuel economy, making sure that our cost per hour for maintenance is reasonable, we can produce the lowest cost per ton.
We get people from all over the world asking how we do it. And the way we do it is with people, with processes and systems, and an exceptional partnership between the OEM, Caterpillar, the dealership, Wyoming Machinery Company, and the mine.
We're on their site, working side by side with their people, and we can't be successful unless we have that strong partnership, and that's really where it all starts.